Hey guys, Mike here. I want to talk to you about this Fluke multimeter. It is a T5-1000 electrical tester, so that'll test up to 1,000 volts AC. It's really simple to use. You turn it on to volts. It has a handy holder here in the back where you'll hold your probe so you can use it one-handed. So you put it in the outlet, put your other one in there, and you can see it has 125 volts. It's also a continuity tester, so as long as you have one strand of wire, you can hear the sound, but you can also see it. You can also test amps for current by sliding a live wire in here, and set it for amps, and it'll tell you what the amperage is in that wire, the current draw. I hope you guys love this as much as I do. I've had it for about 5 years. It's kind of beat up. You see paint spray on it. But I got this from my father-in-law. He's an electrician. He loves Fluke meters. I love Fluke meters. You guys have a great rest of your day.